this doesn't look familiar.
Dude, no kidding.
Does this look familiar? We've been here before.
We have been here before.
So the day we decided to record a video, the neighbors mowing their lawn.
I know.
Wonderful.
Of course.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with another Explorer ST video. What are we doing today, Evan?
Today, we have decided to not go full straight pipe because it was way too loud and obnoxious. So we're gonna see how it sounds with just deleting the resonator. From what I understand, the mufflers are pretty much a straight through design, so I don't think it's going to affect the sound too much just taking the mufflers out. So deleting the resonator hopefully will give it that little bit of noise that we're looking for without having to do too much extensive work, and then we'll go from there. If it's not enough, then we'll move on to the next step.
Then we'll go on to the next step. Hey, by the way, guys, if you haven't done so already, we haven't mentioned this in any of our videos yet. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to grow this thing. We're trying to get, you know, some peoples to watch. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. You all know how to do that because you're on YouTube and it's 2020. Everyone knows how to subscribe. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let's get into this thing.
Money.
All right, so taking off this guy right here. We're gonna start by taking off these two bolts right there. And then we're going to cut back there, those two pipes. And then we'll have two straight pipes to replace. There we go. Let's do it. ST, bro. ST, what? That's so sick. I want my mirrors to light up ST. Get it. Get that wiggle going, bro. Tell us how you, tell us what that method is called.
This is called the wiggle and pull.
The wiggle and pull method right here.
Yeah.
Good thing you're wearing protective eyewear. Pop it right on there. Prove to us that everything is perfect.
Dude.
Perfect. Bit of a headache trying to delete the resonator here. The pipe up there in the front where we straight piped before, that is a 2 1/8 OD, right?
Yeah.
And so if you want a pipe to go over that, you need a 2 1/8 ID, and we do not know that. So we now have the correct stuff, and Mr. Evan can't get an angle, but he's gonna start sawing this sucker. So for those wondering, the back pipe is also 2 1/8 OD. So you need to make sure you have 2 1/8 ID for both ends of these pipes if you plan to do the resonator delete. You're welcome for that tip. Make sure you subscribe if you're an ST Explorer ST owner. We just saved your butt. All right, folks, some more findings.
So there's valves on this stock resonator.
It's literally a valve, and it opens and closes. You can't see. You don't have a flashlight. It opens and closes the pipes.
I wonder if you can see it. Yeah.
Look at that. Valve and the resonator pipe thing. Well, goodbye, valve. All right, so let's talk about what we're doing now. Oh, the dog's in the bed of the truck. Okay. So what we're doing now is we need this little piece right here because the pipes that we bought don't fit. We're gonna use this clip to go on to the exhaust, the stock. We're gonna use a small little piece. You can actually see it's like baffling a little bit. I think that's the word. So we're gonna cut that so we can use it to put the rest of the pipe together. We are what you would call jerry rigging this thing on a brand new 2020 Explorer ST.
DIY.
DIY, baby. You wanna show us the,
You wanna hand me all the piping?
show me the little,
Huh?
Show us that. The little,
This?
yeah. That's what we
Alright.
got off the,
We took this off of the stock Resonator because it's got its own clamp on it, but it's also the right size so we can bolt up our new tubing to it as well.
beautiful. All right, YouTube, we are officially Resonator deleted. And yes,
I mean, you really can't tell the tips from the back, honestly, unless you're really looking at it.
right, this is it, folks. It's time to see what the Explorer ST sounds like with no Resonator. Don't judge our hack job.
Ready to see how it sounds.
I'm so ready to see how it sounds. Is this happening right now? Right now? Oh, I'm ready, dude. I think it sounds good, dude. I'm gonna give us a couple.
See what it sounds like in sport mode.
That's probably that valve, dude. It got deeper. I think